Hello students, welcome to MJC Learning. Today we are going to continue with chapter number 6 of Organization of Commerce and Management, that is Social Responsibilities of Business. So today we are having session 4th of this chapter. Earlier we have studied how the business has many responsibilities towards the different social groups. Business and society are interrelated and interdependent. Consumers are a part of society. For a business to prosper, it requires full support of the consumers and should also realize its responsibilities towards it. Consumer is regarded as the king of the market, but in reality, the experience is different. There is exploitation of consumer in various ways. No business can exist if there are no consumers. For this, the business needs to perform the following responsibilities. In this, the very first responsibility which we have is good quality products. Consumer satisfaction should be set up as a priority. For this, they should be provided with good quality products. Inferior and substandard products should be rejected. Use of good quality raw material, good spare parts and high standards of techniques of production should be done. The next point is fair prices. Customers should be charged reasonable prices for the products. Cheating in terms of overcharging the consumers spoils the image of the organization in the long run. MRP should be printed on every packed product and it should be the final price to be receivable by the retailer, including all taxes. The next responsibility of business towards customers is customer safety. Consumers' health and safety should be taken care of. Unsafe products should not be marketed. They should be warned of unsafe goods. Consumers should be made alert about the duplicate products in the market and also their harmful nature. Next comes honest advertising. Advertising conveys information of the product. It helps to create demand for a product in the market. They should not mislead the consumers. Honest advertising should be appreciated and false, vulgar advertising should be stopped and discouraged. The next point which comes is after sales services. Business is an ongoing, continuous activity. So, to be in a business and develop brand loyalty, business must provide after-sale service of the product. This helps in good maintenance of the product in the long run. It also improves relations between the consumer and organization. The next point which we have is research and development. Every organization should adopt new methods and techniques of production and distribution. For this, regular research and development is necessary. This improves the quality of goods and also minimizes the final price charged to the customers. Thus, cost of product decreases and both the management and consumers gets benefited from it. Yes. The next point is regular supply of goods. Consumers should be provided with regular supply of goods. There should be no artificial shortage or hoarding of goods. Moreover, large variety of goods as per the taste, like and purchasing power of the consumers should be made available to the consumers. Students, our next point is attend complaints. Consumer complaints should be attended in proper time. Immediate actions should be taken for their satisfaction. Quick and effective services to solve complaints enhances business image. Suggestions from the consumers should also be welcomed to make changes as per their needs and expectations. The next responsibility of business towards consumers is training. Consumers should be trained to use the product effectively. Demonstrations should be given during installation of the product. This is necessary when some new product is launched or technical knowledge is required to operate a new product. Training helps in proper use of the product and also helps in avoiding injury or damage to the customer or to the product. The last point is avoid customer exploitation. Unfair practices leading to customers' exploitations should be avoided. Monopolistic competition should be discouraged. Creating artificial scarcity of goods, adulteration, high prices should not be done. Business should give decent, fair, and just treatment to consumers. Students, now let us continue with the business responsibilities towards government. Government provides incentives to the business for industrialization. It has passed many acts and laws and also laid down many rules and regulations for this purpose. The responsibilities of business towards government are: number 1, timely payment of taxes. Taxes helps the government to provide infrastructure and welfare facilities. Business units pay taxes such as sales tax, excise tax, corporate tax, etc. Timely payment of these taxes helps in development of the nation. The taxes should be paid accurately and also as per the provisions. The next responsibility of business towards government is observing rules and regulations. Business should follow various rules and regulations which are set up by the government. The business should be conducted in a lawful manner. This helps in smooth conduct of all the business activities. The next responsibility of business towards government is earning good foreign exchange. Large-scale business should enter into export trade to earn foreign exchange. This helps the government to import capital goods and technical know-how. It also helps in the development of the economy in financial terms. The next point which we come across is economic development. Business organization is expected to help the government for the upliftment of the economy. They should provide economic and other help to welfare schemes of the government. This fulfills to achieve the set targets of the government. The next point is implementing socio-economic policies. The government declares various policies for achieving economic, social and industrial progress of society. The business should help government in implementation of these policies. They should provide expert advice and required funds. With these, the problems like illiteracy, unemployment, decreasing rate of sex ratio, etc. can be reduced to a certain extent. The next responsibility of business towards government is giving suggestions to the government. Business organizations can provide valuable suggestions to the government and help in framing organization-friendly policies. Advice in framing important policies in field of export and import can also be given by the business organizations. Next point which we are going for is no favors. Business should not seek any favor from the government officials by bribing or influencing them. Corruption should be strictly banned and discouraged for a healthy society and a nation as a whole. The last responsibility of business towards the government is contributing to government treasury. It becomes a great social and moral duty of the business to help the government during emergencies like flood, famines, war, lockdowns, etc. They should give financial support to the government during this time and help the society on a whole to outcome such problems. It is during these hours that a business really shows its obligations towards the nation. So students, with this we come to an end of our today's session. Thank you. Stay blessed.